Here is a question for you. People often talk about starting a side hustle to earn extra money. But what exactly is a side hustle? Is it a full-time job? Is it a hobby? Or is it something in between? Keep that question in your mind. By the end of this lesson, you will know the answer and 5 useful English phrases too. Welcome to Ninja English. Today, we learn 5 phrases about earning a little extra money on the side. I will speak slowly and clearly. Just relax, listen, and repeat. Let's begin. Let's start with our first phrase, to bring in. To bring in money means to earn it, to make money come to you. A small shop can bring in a little cash every day. A weekend job can bring in extra money for your family. When something helps you bring in more money, you feel safer. But a small amount is not always enough. What if you want your work to bring in enough to live on? Our next phrase is to make a living. To make a living means to earn enough money to pay for your life, your food, your home, your bills. Some people make a living from one full-time job. Others make a living from many small jobs together. To make a living is the goal, to earn enough to live well. But what if your main job is not enough, and you work a little extra when the day is done? Now, the heart of today's topic, on the side. When you do something on the side, you do it in your extra time next to your main job. A teacher might sell photos on the side. A driver might fix bikes on the side. Work you do on the side is your side hustle. It is small, but it can grow. And sometimes, a small idea on the side suddenly becomes very popular. Our next phrase is to take off. To take off means to suddenly become successful and grow very fast. A small online shop can take off in just a few weeks. When your side hustle begins to take off, orders come in quickly. It is exciting to watch a small idea take off and reach more people. But growing fast is only the start. The real question is money. Does the business actually earn more than it spends? Our last phrase is to turn a profit. To turn a profit means to earn more money than you spend, so you actually gain. At first, a new business may not turn a profit. But after some months, it can start to turn a profit. When you finally turn a profit, your side hustle truly pays. That is the moment many people dream about. Now, let's practice all 5 phrases together. Now repeat after me, slowly. My little shop brings in a bit of extra money on the side. My online store took off last month. After a year, we finally turned a profit and could make a living from it. 5 new words, and now they are yours. Quick test. Would you rather make a living from one big job or start a small business on the side? Write your answer in the comments. Subscribe to Ninja English for a new lesson from real life every day. See you next time.